Let's talk about sunflower seeds. They are native to the Americas. They are part of the daisy family. The flower heads do face east, the direction of the rising sun. They take about 70 to 100 days to flower. Once they flower, the blooms will last 6 to 12 days. They are not toxic to animals. You can allow the seeds to dry, which will attract cardinals. The sunflower seeds boost your immune system and energy levels. They provide vitamin E, flavonoids, and have anti-inflammation properties. They also contain several minerals like zinc, selenium, potassium, copper, B1, 6, 9, 3, 2, and 5. One head of sunflower seeds has 1,000 to 2,000 seeds. There are 70 species of sunflowers. And the good thing about these, once you plant them, they have been planted to soak up nuclear radiation. Now let's talk about the health benefits. A lot of Native Americans believed in the health benefits of sunflowers. The Cherokee Indians would infuse the leaves to treat kidney and chest pain. They are also known to help with cold and cough. Sunflowers were also used to substitute for quinine. So sunflowers are very beautiful, but you can also use them in a variety of ways and use the leaves as a tea.